Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are a Mozilla Firefox user, then just a quick one to let you know that Firefox seems to be getting a bit of a refresh with a new mascot called Kit, K-I-T. And that's all according to this announcement by Mozilla, saying the Firefox brand is getting a refresh and you get the first look. Kit's our new mascot and your new companion through an internet that's private, open, and actually yours. Now, this seems to be dropping November 11. Today, at the time of recording, we are on the 7th of November. And they give you options here when it gets released to get Kit gear in North America and Europe. So it's region specific at this stage. But the main purpose of this video is it seems that this so-called Kit mascot is going to be a wallpaper in the browser. And I actually noticed that today as well, where if we head to our customize the homepage, yeah, we've got a new listing as part of the wallpapers. It hasn't got a name yet for this bunch of wallpapers, but if we click on it, this looks like some of those logos they're wanting to push out. So if we toggle that, there we go. And that's exactly the same as what they have in this announcement dropping the 11th of November. If we head back, let's go to another one. And there's other wallpapers in here. It looks a bit abstract. This seems to be another one with Kit. And there we go. So you get the idea. Now, I have noticed there is no naming for this bunch of wallpapers, which means it could be being A/B tested at this stage before it rolls out as a wallpaper set for the browser. But I have noticed this wallpaper set in both my stable versions of Firefox and both my nightly versions, early preview versions of Firefox. So it does seem that Mozilla is starting to push these out. So just wanted to keep you guys in the loop. And that's the new mascot called Kit. And just on a side note, before we end this video, might this new mascot also mean that Firefox's logo could be changing and the app icon? But I suppose only time will tell. But nonetheless, just wanted to make you guys aware that if you are using the browser, go check it out. There's a new bunch of wallpapers there if you'd like to try out, reflecting the new mascot Kit. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.